Hey there, John. Yeah, so far, the quarter's retail earnings reports reveal a consumer that's really using multiple channels for retailers, in-store and online, which typically makes that shopper more valuable. So Target posted the strongest digital sales increase year over year of the major reporters at 25% comparable sales growth, but also had significant in-store traffic and said 95% of the quarter's sales were fulfilled by the stores. Competitor Walmart saw its U.S. net e-commerce sales grow just 8%, but 87% in 2 years, and it added 21 million items to its marketplace just in the quarter. Lowe's turning in the second best digital increase for comps at 25%, up 158% in 2 years, making up just 9% of total sales. Lowe's digital business is not as advanced as competitor Home Depot, which saw its digital sales grow 8% in a year, 95% in 2 years, with 55% of all online orders fulfilled by Home Depot stores. Now, Williams-Sonoma is the parent of Pottery Barn, West Elm, and some other brands. It saw its digital comp sales grow 64% since 2019, so giving us a 2-year comp. But e-commerce now makes up 67% of total revenues. That's basically one of the biggest that there is. Foot Locker is the outlier so far. Digital comps down about 4.6% year over year, but they are making up now 20% of total sales, and that has ticked higher year after year, particularly in this last year.
Now, Courtney, we used to talk about in-store and e-commerce being like separate businesses, but omnichannel has turned that on its head. For some reason, I'm guessing that, a number of the retailers you mentioned that have heavier items are the ones that have some pretty high e-commerce sales. Part of that's curbside pickup, right? Or buy online, pick up in store. This story is more now about overall efficiency and less about choosing one channel and not the other?
Exactly, John. So I think that's a great point with Home Depot, right? If it's a really heavy, bulky item, it might be easier for you to pick it up in store. Some of it, I think, is about guaranteed availability. Even if you use Home Depot as an example, what if you're in the middle of a project, you need some kind of type of piping or certain kinds of screws, you want to make sure it's available. So in the moment, you order it online, and then when you have a break from your project in an hour, you go and you pick it up. So it's almost like a guarantee, which really means that all of these retailers have to very closely watch their inventory and make sure that they can satisfy that online